Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a new US Bank ExtendPay plan. The first thing I want you to do is actually log into your online US Bank dashboard, and then I want you to scroll down here, go ahead and select the credit card you want to set up the ExtendPay for. I'll select this one, and then I want you to click here on Explore ExtendPay. Go ahead and click on that, and then from here I want you to click on Set up a new ExtendPay plan. Now, from here, you will need to go ahead and select the eligible purchases you'd like to include. So, for example, right here, we'll go ahead and pick this one. So, select that. And then what you need to do is actually choose a monthly repayment option for your selected amount. So, let's say 3 payments, and this is how it'll be split. We'll select that. And then what I want you to do is actually click here on Continue. And after that, you just go ahead and review your ExtendPay plan, review it, confirm it, make sure you toggle these on, click on confirm, and there you go. It is done. ExtendPay has been confirmed. And here are your plan details. You can go back to your dashboard as well. And that is how to set up a new US Bank ExtendPay plan. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to answer a lot.